First, you want to make the image black and white. Then, you want to go into levels and create the brightest brights and the darkest darks by adjusting the threshold. Then, sometimes it helps to create an additional layer below using the brush tool to prevent visual information from being lost when you do the transfer. Then when you're printing it out, you want to make sure that you're printing in black and white instead of color mixing to create black. You'll want to do the transfer sooner than later after printing it out for best results. The materials you'll need is your surface, the image printed out, X-Acto blade, wooden spoon or bone folder, brush, your medium, water, and a sponge. You'll want to tape your image down to prevent it from shifting while doing the transfer. You'll want to cover your image completely in the medium as well as the surface you're going to be transferring it onto. Now the medium I'm using is Acrylic 65, but you could also use GAC 500, fluid matte medium, and acrylic gel mediums. You'll want to use your spoon or bone folder to push the excess medium out from between the image and the surface for best results. In about 3 to 5 minutes, the medium will be dried enough for you to begin peeling up majority of the paper, leaving just the printer ink and a thin layer of paper on the surface. It's a slow-going process, but it's crucial for the next step. For some parts, you might want to use the X-Acto blade to peel up the corner of a paper to peel it away. After you've peeled up all the excess paper, you want to wait 30 to 40 minutes to allow the ink to have a strong bond to the surface. Then finally, you could begin scrubbing away with water and your sponge, removing the excess paper and leaving you with just ink on your surface. It also helps to work in sections. And finally, it's up to you to decide how much ink you want to remain on the surface or whether you want to scrub through and have some information loss.